Hello and welcome to a somewhat spontaneous edition of stuff I've made. I've talked a lot about the Xterra and what we've done with the drawer system, and maybe I'll make a video on the front. Probably will. But I wanted to show it in action out here in beautiful middle of nowhere Colorado. I think this is called Reilly Lake. High clearance 4-wheel drive to get here, but the Xterra handled it no problem. And let's show you what it looks like. So using the drawer system, I'll put the link to the video of the drawer system build right below, but our favorite thing for sure is this big cutting board. Store that stove in there. Use the big cutting board for cutting chicken last night. We made some chicken tacos. That's definitely our favorite part. Right now we're using a small drawer for toiletries, so we can just open it up, brush our teeth, shut it back down. Drawer system's nice. In here, it's a full-size queen memory foam, 3-inch mattress, some blankets on top. You can see we've made some cardboard window covers, work really well, and painted those black on the inside, white on the out. I have this roof net, shove a bunch of stuff up here, including these lights that we got, keep it light at night. Moving up to the front, we have some window covers made with weed block that allow us to crack the windows without getting bugs or even rain inside. It mostly just funnels down here. These are attached with Velcro, and you just put the Velcro on the inside of the door between, well, not where it seals, and no problem. Another cool thing is this rooftop shower. We've used this mostly for a dishwashing system, but it is really nice if you need a shower. We showered about 4 p.m. yesterday after hiking a 14er Mount Uncompaghre, and it was the black made the water pretty hot. Not shower hot, but pretty hot. And here's the front section of the camping conversion. This is where I'm putting all my clothes. There's a same thing for the other side. Just a huge, deep storage space. We're on day 5 of this trip, so my clothes are a little less pretty than when they started. But there's a ton of storage in here. And you'll see that fold-out section right here that I mentioned in the previous video. That just gets supported by these supports. And you have a lot of storage right here just to throw random stuff while you're sleeping that you don't want to get rained on at night. This is also open for storage. I'll keep my shoes here. And the front's just normal. You just got to pull the seats all the way forward. And we have those window shades up here too. And I think that's pretty much it. If you heard, oh, you can actually see my recovery tracks and shovel on the top. We are doing some big wheelings out here. Actually, the only Xterra I've seen on the trails, but apart from one section of the trail, this thing handled no problem. So she's a little dirty, but we'll get her cleaned up once we're back to Kansas City. And I just heard coffee was ready. So thanks for tuning in. Hope this was quick, entertaining, informative, and encourage you to make something similar for yourself so you can get out and just explore random places like Reilly Lake, Colorado. I hope you heard that. That was a cow from the other side. So the last shot I filmed was at a beautiful lake before the end of our journey, 5 days in Colorado. This is after we finished Medano Creek Pass. It threw a little more at us, sand, mud, not as much rocks. It was a really fun pass. This car handled everything. Deserves a nice wash, especially if we have to use the headlights getting back home. But it held a 55 quart cooler on top of the drawer system through all the rocks and everything is a-okay. So thanks for watching. just knock that rock, and then straight over that one, and to the right of that one. Okay.
Yeah. You're gonna hit a rock here. You're fine.
Okay, got through the big one.
Yeah.
How am I looking over there?
You're gonna go off of one. Got one on the right.
Do I want to make one in the center?
Maybe a little, yeah. Yeah, just a smidge. Doesn't need to be much. Yeah, it's better. In between that rock that was in the middle. Oh, right now? You're gonna go, I think. You're clear of the rock on the right.
It looks like a powder day in the summer. Like people, you just stay on the worn tracks. You keep your speed. But
It's a good way to look at it.
Yeah, we hit there. That's the trick. Like there's sand. But then you have to slow down for bumps, so you don't. But then you just don't want to stop and see it. Like right here. Or right here.
Yeah.
Uphill's hard. How is it?
I'm good.
Good. Like if he said, "Oh, don't do it," then I would have turned around. Oh, it's good. Okay.
I think we'll be just fine.
Stop with. Oh, creek. Okay.
I really can't tell how deep it is. Like it just splashes.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm splashing above your tire.
Yeah. It's just stock Xterra. We'll be fine.
Yep. Oh, okay. Lots of cars.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
It's a rental. Or filming mosquitoes.